Have you ever wondered what makes clay different from soil? What sets them apart? And why is it important for us to know the difference? Well, it's time to unravel this mystery. Firstly, clay and soil are not the same thing. Soil is a complex mixture of minerals, organic matter, water, and air. It's a living, breathing entity that supports life in many ways. It's a home to countless organisms, a natural water filter, and a foundation for our buildings. On the other hand, clay is a type of soil, but with unique characteristics. It's composed mainly of very fine-grained minerals. Clay particles are smaller than 0.002 of a millimeter in diameter, which is about 40 times smaller than a grain of fine sand. This small size gives clay some interesting properties. For instance, when wet, clay becomes sticky and pliable. This is why it's been used since ancient times for pottery and bricks. It also means that clay holds onto water and nutrients more tightly than other soil types. This brings us to a critical difference between clay and other types of soil. Because of its fine texture and water-holding capacity, clay is slower to drain and takes longer to warm up in the spring. It's also harder for plant roots to penetrate, which can make it more challenging for gardening. On the flip side, soil with a high amount of clay can retain more nutrients and water. This can be beneficial for certain types of plants that thrive in these conditions. So, in essence, clay is a type of soil with unique characteristics that can be both a challenge and a boon for gardeners. Understanding these differences can help us make better decisions about how to care for our plants and how to manage our landscapes. Before we continue, a quick reminder to subscribe to Musings for more enlightening content like this. To summarize, while soil is a complex mixture of minerals, organic matter, water, and air, clay is a type of soil with very fine particles. This gives it unique properties, like being sticky when wet and holding onto water and nutrients more tightly. These characteristics can make clay more challenging for gardening, but also beneficial for certain types of plants. So the next time you're out in the garden or pondering over a pottery project, remember, it's not just dirt, it's a complex world of clay and soil. And this is my